L'Homme Idéal Cologne by Guerlain. EDT. Yes, eau de toilette. Before you buy this thing, well, let me tell you something. You can't buy it anymore, except from the remaining stock, because this baby has been discontinued. However, I still want to share my thoughts on this thing because you still can get your hands on it, including this bottle that I will list on eBay in the description below. So let's pop it off. I know it's cold outside. Most of the folks here that are watching are in the wintertime, but this is a fresh scent, okay? So, and it's an interesting scent. So let's break it down into 5 crucial points before you consider splashing the cash on this bad boy, which I personally actually like. Now, first off, the opening act, okay? This is a citrusy almond extravaganza. Picture this. You're strutting down a sun-drenched Mediterranean street and bam, you're hit by a wave of fresh citrus fruits with grapefruit leading the charge with a citrusy like a citrusy superhero, okay? But wait, there's more. The almond note right here sneaks in like a little ninja, adding a sweet, nutty edge to it. It's like someone threw a handful of almonds into a fruit salad. Unconventional, but oh so intriguing. And intriguing it is. When I first saw this on my collection back here, I was like, I don't know if I want to go for it. I actually was gonna go for another boozy, tobacco, vanilla type of fragrance, but I'm happy I picked this one. So who should be wearing this? I think this is perfect for the Suave Charmer. Okay, let's be real. The scent isn't for the faint-hearted, and if you're the kind of person who likes to play it safe and blend into the background, step away from the bottle, because this fragrance is for the people that are confident and the ones who want to stand out in a crowd. Think of James Bond on a casual day out. Charming, mysterious, and a tad playful. In terms of compliment factor, I think this is a magnet for attention. And in fact, I'm actually going to spray it on as I'm going to drive my wife to the train in a moment. So if you're in it for the compliments, you're in luck. L'Homme Ideal Cologne is like a compliment magnet, as I said before. That blend of citrus and almond, it's the olfactory equivalent of a siren song, okay? Luring in admirers with its unique and captivating aroma. Yeah, so be prepared for a barrage of what are you wearing and you smell amazing as you go about your day. Um, Unfortunately, this is discontinued. Let me know what you're spraying. If you had this one before, what are you going with as an alternative today? I would like to know that. Where would I suggest you wear this scent is the next point. I think that this fragrance isn't just a one trick pony, it's versatile enough for a range of scenarios. Meaning, if you're heading to the office, check. A casual lunch date, double check. An evening at a classy outdoor event, you bet. Its fresh yet rich profile makes it perfect for daytime wear in spring and summer. But don't be shy. You can definitely give it a whirl on a warm autumn afternoon too. And here, the winters in Florida are not too cold, so I'm definitely going to be rocking this. So, love it or hate it. Now, here's the kicker. L'Homme Ideal Cologne can be a bit of a polarizing fragrance. Its unique blend of citrus and almond is not everybody's cup of tea, and some might find it refreshing, while others might think, oh, sorry, my phone, while others might think it strays too far from the traditional men's colognes, okay? But hey, that's the beauty of it. If you're the kind of person who likes to take a walk on the wild side of scent, then this might be your new signature fragrance. Granted, if you can find it. And I mean, let's be honest, it's not that crazy. It's not like some crazy niche perfume, okay? This is still very well within the bounds of what is acceptable. And like I said, it garners you compliments. So there you have it. I think this baby here is a fragrance that is bold, it's daring, and it is unique. So if you're ready to make a statement with a fresh scent, with a little bit of almond touch and a citrusy note, give this one a try if you can get it. And watch the magic happen. Bye bye.